dolls, and if you are new, welcome to the channel. I do giveaways, I do beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and relationship vlogs, so please don't forget to subscribe. Today, as you can see from the title, we are doing a lingerie and makeup video, and I am so excited because I had actually become a subscriber to IPSY Makeups, and this glam bag is $15 a month. I wanted to try something new. Well, actually, I always want to try new things. And because there are so many products out there, I figured this would be a good place to start in getting more familiar with the different types of makeups and brands. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Love this cutesy little package. So it was really fun getting this in the mail. And it says right here, discover yourself. Well, hello, self. Bam! First things first, I love it. I don't know if this was a special gift because this is the first month that I signed on with IPSY, but it looks like a foundation brush. Very, very soft. So, you know, I'll do a little bit of a makeup using whatever products that I have, but we'll have to see what I get first. And then this one here, it is a cute little makeup pouch, and I'm not sure if they send one every month with the new products and new bag. I mean, it is called the Glam Bag, but oh, this is really sweet. So that's cute. Sealed with a kiss is what it says. So this is the February Glam Bag. Open it up here. So with each Glam Bag, you get to choose one product, and then the rest they choose for you. So this one here is a all-night moisture and relief mask. And I am definitely all about like face masks, skincare, especially this year. The brand is Real Elemental Practice. So again, never heard of this brand. I don't know if you dolls have heard of it. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. The next thing is, you know what, actually, I think these are like more like trial size, or like, yeah, probably trial sizes, but that's okay because I like variety. And then this one here is called the Treatment Enzyme Peel, the cleansing powder. So I thought this was really neat, and softly cleanse away dead skin cells and impurities from the pores to make the skin look bright and healthy. So I can't wait to try that this week. And then the other two pieces I got Ready, Set, Go. So this is a setting powder, so it's Lottie is the brand. I have, ooh, that's a light. I've never tried this brand before, but it is a translucent setting powder. And I'll go ahead and open that up for you dolls. Anyway, so that's what it looks like. So Jersey Shore Cosmetics, another brand I have not heard of, but this is a Star Mint Glossy Balm. I'm gonna try that. Very refreshing, very minty. So I really like that. So far, although this is February, let's see how many products it comes with. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, it only came with 4 products, and I don't know if the bag counts as one. So far it's okay. For $15, it is what it is. So this is good if you're like me who just wants to discover new products and brands. Then this would make a lot of sense. And I really like this brush. I think it's just absolutely amazing. And in addition to that, I wanted to share with you dolls that I did get these cute little hair jewels. I got these, I believe, from AliExpress. And this actually came very, very quickly. I had one of you dolls comment and just kind of talk about how you guys would like to see more Gyaru type of videos. I ordered these because I did get also some wigs. I had another hi Draggy for sure. She had mentioned she's interested in looking at maybe some other wigs, so I figured I'd go ahead and order some and just play around with those. So that's coming in. But basically, this is a hair jewel. So as you can see here, these are so much fun. It's like fun hair jewelry. It's really different and it's really Gyaru style, very funky. So if any of you want to be entered to win this cute hair piece, an hair accessory, then go ahead and put enter in the comment section below. Also, I have this in the giveaway. I have this Pikachu lip balm. I even have a fun Hello Kitty makeup bag, and I have a cute little Pokemon face pack. So again, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go ahead and just do a quick little tutorial on Gyaru makeup. So to create the Gyaru eye makeup, I'm sure you will be able to find yourself some. So it's been a while since I've used eye contacts. I was just like lazy and everything like that, but it's a very big, important part. And the reason is it's supposed to make your eyes look, your eye pupils look bigger and dilated, because again, it gives to that whole dolly eye effect. That's step one. Step two, I don't have any foundation, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually use some foundation here. So I got the Born This Way. You can use whatever foundation you want. And presenting, so from the Ipsy bag, I'm gonna go ahead and try the foundation brush. Let's take a look and see how this works. See how the brush is. I'm gonna say that I'm not like super excited about the bag, but I really can't complain because, you know, you get what you pay for. And oh, this brush is amazing. I love the feeling on my face. Okay. Wow, so I didn't even need a lot of foundation, and this brush just did its thing, you know? So, oh, sorry, eye glue there. Oh yeah, lashes are a big thing too. Got those on, so you want to have some nice, not spiky lashes, but lashes like these, you know, where they're like crawling out of my eyeballs. The bushier, the better. The white eyeliner, so that's normally a pretty staple piece. Oh, I need a sharpener. Shoot. This is a palette art palette that I got from a No Make No Life box. That's Japanese Korean makeups, and you see there is white here. Well, it was white, but I can definitely use this instead for the eyeliner. I like the texture of that. And basically what I am doing is I am putting the white on my water lid on the bottom. Okay, I actually put a little bit too much, not a problem. You can just wipe that off. Yeah, there you go. And put on the other side. Oops. We'll do some eyeliner. And with the eyeliner, you're going to want to put it on the inside of your lid. And I recommend using more like a crayon eyeliner, liquid after, to go over any missed spots. You really want to get into the corner of the eye. You really want to make sure that the eyelashes and the black eyeliner are like connected. If that makes any sense. By doing so, it's gonna make the inner corner of your eye bigger as well, more defined. So now I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D liquid eyeliner. Okay, so as you can see, the black is all the way in there. And then I'm also going to start filling in even in the inner water corner of my bottom. So you have to be pretty careful. And then I'm going to connect it until it reaches the white line. And if you even want to have even more definition to make the inner corner bigger, as you can tell the difference, what I did right here was I drew another line, extending my corner toward my nose. If you get like eyeliner here and there, you can just clean it up after, not a big deal. I'm gonna do the same to the side. Okay. I'm actually gonna draw the eyeliner. You don't have to do this because you're gonna put lower lashes. So here's lower lashes that I got from Amazon a while ago. I'm gonna draw my eyeliner on the outside of the white eyeliner. Since I'm going to be doing lower lashes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a bottom lid. So as you can see where I'm pressing in, you see the little cushion of a lower lid here. What the Gyarus will do is they'll put some eyeshadow right here and they'll just create a lower lid. So it droops the eye down, but it makes it even more bigger and it creates more of a dolly look, dolly eye effect. And you can use any eyeshadow. Like, I'm gonna go more natural, so I'm gonna go with, like, you know, iridescent brown. I don't want to go with darker colors because you don't want to look like you have a black eye unless you want to, you know, it's your life. But for me, I'm just gonna probably blend a little bit of iridescent here and here, and until I'm satisfied. Or you can be more funky. You can go with oranges, pinks, and some other iridescents. Yada yada yada. And then the brush that I'm using is just like these nubs, this nub brush. I know you guys would be like, oh, that's not what it is. Funny. So I'm gonna add a little bit more definition by darkening the eyeshadow color. So I'm gonna chocolate matine and a push-up. Okay, so it's very light and minimalist, but next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually get a white iridescent color. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I don't know, we'll try. I kind of want to be a little bit rebel today, so it's not like full on white. It's more like, yeah, it's like an iridescent white. So with the white, you're gonna want to put it in the corner of your eye here. I don't know, do we like it, dolls? I don't know. What do we think here? Okay. And you just do it until you're satisfied, but by putting white in the inner corner of your eye, it does brighten and, again, make your eye bigger or look bigger. For eyeshadow, I would just do your eyeshadow however way that you do it. But, you know, they're kind of more natural, so I would just, like, put some, like, you know, iridescent. So they just kind of layer it. So they put, like, brown on the outside. They like to use iridescent colors, so I like the pigment on this one. This is nice. And you can add some more, like, if you want more definition, you could add more brown on the outside or the inside as well here. You can actually add over here if you want to create a wing. Pretty natural. And then if you want to, if you would use some eyeshadow base. To me, yeah, eyeshadow is a personal, like, you know, you just have to work with the eyeshadow and to see like what is the best shape eyeshadow for your lid and eye shape and brow. Japanese, they like their square type of eyebrows, which is good. It does shape the eye. It gives it more of a youthful look. So the thicker your eyebrows, the younger that you will look. The Japanese gyarus or Japanese girls in general, or Asians, they have more like square eyebrows. I have my eyebrows, they are more Americanized, where they have more of like an angled eyebrow. And so these eyebrows are already like tattooed on for me, so I'm not even going to do the eyebrows. But I will finish off with some bottom lashes here, as well as some cheek tint blush and a little pout gloss lipstick. When I put these eyelashes on, okay, so I did one eyelash on the bottom lash, and I always start from the black eyeliner lash line. And again, you can either point it downward, so again, it gives you kind of like that more like sweet, you know, dolly look, or you can go upward and it'll give you a little bit more of like a glamorous dolly eye look. But yeah, I had my eyelashes actually pointed downward, so meaning like if I wanted to, I could even put eyeliner down, more down here, to create that kind of like sad but innocent, vulnerable look. Or yeah, I think what I'm going to do is actually just have it go upward just to connect it. So I don't know, like I said, I'm like American Gyaru, so I like to mix and match both styles. I'll take care of this side, but I just wanted you guys to see the difference when you have bottom lashes versus none. So it does make a difference. It makes quite the difference. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make my nose a little bit more contoured to make it smaller. I'm gonna use some blush, this one here. Very minimal. And put a little bit on your nose tip if you want. And to finish it off, I am going to be using the setting powder that I got today in the Ipsy bag. Okay, so let's go ahead and... So as you can see, not much comes out of it. No scent. Looks very pigmented, so let's see, can we see? Oof! Like that. Feels really good. Feels really good on the face. It definitely brightens my skin. It definitely kind of makes everything come together very nicely. So I like the way it makes my face feel. There's no talc in it, or so that I saw. So I would definitely consider purchasing the full size in this brand, London setting powder. And as far as the Ipsy bag, I'm going to give it maybe a couple of months just to kind of see if I still want to continue this, or if I probably want to get more full-size makeups. That I'm not sure of. But it's okay, because, you know, if there are other items, I always like to do them as giveaways. So we'll see on that. And let me finish off with some gloss. Now I was doing darks, a lot of darks, but I'm not, with Gyaru, it's more like little tints, and I'll just do like, maybe like cute pinks, baby pinks, blush pinks, girly girl pinks, yeah. Yeah, so I'm doing a pink. Baby pink, and I could put gloss on it if I want. Should I? Do y'all want me to put some gloss on there? Okay, my favorite gloss. Lip Injection Too Faced. This is my Gyaru look for today. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. I really appreciate each and every one of you dolls. Again, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to be entered into the giveaways, go ahead and put enter. You must be a subscriber, and also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified of new video. And I will talk to you dolls later. Bye dolls!